Hi everyone, today I'll show you this monitor that I have. It's a Dell 27-inch monitor. You can see the model here, which is S2723HC. So yeah, there you go. Gonna unbox this. Gonna shift the camera. Right, wide angle view. So you can see that it comes with USB-C, double male USB-C cable, some warranty card, power cable, some instructions, comes with a stand. Right. So this is the holder for the monitor. You can see the ball bearing inside. Let me show you the ball bearing. I saw this on a YouTube channel. I find it to be cool. So it has ball bearings. Yeah, it's very secure. So now I'm gonna show you the slots for the monitor. So here you go. This is the monitor itself. So you can see the, let me zoom in. So you can see here there's the USB-A slots. And here there are some slots that you have to plug in the monitor. This is output, audio. And this is the USB-C cable which goes with the cable just now, like the cable slots. Yeah, there you go. This is pretty much the basics. It comes with speakers though, so yeah, there you go. These are slots that this model offers. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much for dropping by. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless.